Hello and welcome. My name is Anna, and thank you for joining me for this important practice at the Mindful Start. Today, we will learn a beautiful and compassionate method for working with difficult emotions. It's called the R.A.I.N meditation, an acronym that stands for Recognize, Allow, Investigate, and Nurture. This is a tool to help you meet feelings like anxiety, sadness, or anger with wisdom and kindness rather than being consumed by them. Please find a comfortable and stable seated position. Feel the support beneath you and allow your hands to rest gently. When you feel ready, close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to arrive fully in your body and in this present moment. With each exhale, let go of any need to feel a certain way. Give yourself permission to feel whatever is true for you right now. I invite you to bring to mind a situation in your life that is currently challenging for you. Choose something that brings up a difficult emotion, but perhaps not the most overwhelming thing in your life. Something moderately difficult. As you hold this situation in mind, notice what emotion arises. It might be anxiety, frustration, sadness, or something else. Our practice begins here with the first step of R.A.I.N. Recognize. Can you gently and silently name the emotion that is most predominant? Just a soft mental whisper. Anxiety, or sadness, or this is grief. The simple act of naming what is here creates a powerful moment of mindfulness. You are recognizing, not judging. Now we move to the second step of allow. This is a crucial step. Can you allow this feeling to simply be here? We so often try to push away, fix, or numb difficult feelings. For just these few moments, can you let go of the struggle? You might say to yourself, "It's okay," or "This feeling is allowed to be here," or "let be." You are not saying you like the feeling, but you are dropping the resistance to it. Imagine creating a vast, open space in your heart for this emotion to exist without having to fight for its right to be there. Just allow. The third step is investigate. This is not a mental analysis, but a gentle, embodied curiosity. With kindness, turn your attention to the feeling itself. Where do you feel this emotion most strongly in your body? Is it a tightness in your chest? A hollowness in your stomach? A heat in your face? What are the physical qualities of this feeling? Is it heavy or light? Is it moving or still? Just notice the raw sensations with a curious, non-judgmental attention. Furthermore, you can gently ask the feeling, "What do you believe?" Or, "What do you most need from me right now?" Don't search for an answer. Just listen with your heart. The investigation is about understanding, not fixing. The final and most important step of R.A.I.N. is nurture. This is where you offer yourself the compassion that the hurt or scared part of you so deeply needs. Place a hand over your heart or wherever you feel the emotion most strongly. Let the warmth of your hand be a gesture of kindness. Now, offer yourself words of compassion. You might say silently, "I am so sorry you are hurting. I am here with you." May I be kind to myself in this moment? You are not alone. Find the words that feel most authentic and soothing to you. You are bringing your own loving presence to your own pain. This is an act of profound self-compassion. Nurture this hurting part of you as you would a beloved friend. Let's rest here for a few moments, just continuing to offer this gentle, nurturing presence to whatever is here. The goal of R.A.I.N is not to make the difficult emotion go away. The goal is to change your relationship to it so that you are no longer identified with it. You are the compassionate awareness that is holding the emotion. You are the sky, not the storm cloud. As we close this practice, gently release the focus on the emotion. Bring your awareness back to your whole body and to the simple, steady rhythm of your breath. Take a deep breath in, feeling the spaciousness you have created, and a long breath out. Begin to introduce gentle movements. When you are ready, open your eyes. Remember that R.A.I.N is a practice you can call on anytime a difficult emotion arises. It is a pathway to emotional freedom and self-love. Thank you for your brave work today.